So this is my neighbor's house. They were the owners of one of the railroads in Cuba. There were only two and they were privately owned. We are at El Vedado, and this is the church right across. The family owns 7 of these houses, and now they are owned by the government, and now the house is the Institute of Translation for Cuba. It's a beautiful house, and I am taking, the only thing I can take back for the family, believe it or not, is this piece. Miriam, this is for you. They are remodeling the house, and this piece is part of you. So hope you frame this one, because after 60 years, this is all you're getting back of your property. This is very painful, extremely painful, but this is it. It's a beautiful house of our neighbors here in El Vedado. This is the main entrance, and I was not allowed in, and they were giving me a hard time because I was taking pictures and videos. So the director will not receive me, and I gotta get out. This is the main entrance of the house. It's a beautiful house, as you can see. Cuba's golden era. 7 of these houses belong to the family, built for each of the members of the family, and they were all next to each other and communicated in the back through an alley, so the house staff could go between them and the members of the family. This is the house next door. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. This is Cuba's golden age. Unfortunately, see what happened. I'm going back. And this is across the street, another mansion. Now it's been parceled out into small apartments. See, Miriam, this is where I got your stuff. So you got a piece of your own house back after 60 years. What a ripoff, huh? Well, I guess this house says it all. To rebuild and move on. Some of the employees were happy to see me here. In order for me to get in, I told them a white lie saying that I was your grandson. So hopefully you'll enjoy this. God bless.